It is time for a short, blissful reset. Find your seat on a block or the ground, perhaps lying down on a mat or the bed. Feel where you are. Notice where your breath is. Is it in your belly? Perhaps invite it there without force, with presence. Now begin to rub your palms together. Rub your palms, creating heat. Feel the heat of left palm against right. Continue on for another moment with that heat and awareness. Place your palms heavily on your eye sockets. Take a deep breath in and let them sink in a little more as you exhale. Another deep breath in, and let your palms slowly glide down your cheeks to your neck, to the center of your sternum. Here, feel presence. This right here is a reset, connecting with your heart center. And now let your arms rest by your side and create 5 exhales with the letter S for your exhale. Continue on as you feel where you are on your mat. Feel your throat. Notice the openness of your throat. Aware of your lips. The presence of your lips in space. And now notice underneath your tongue, above your tongue. Feel your whole tongue. Notice your inner cheeks in your mouth. And feel your whole mouth alive and vibrant. Go back to the sensation where your hands were, your sternum. Now bring your attention to your fingers. Feel your thumbs lighting up. Imagine your first fingers, second fingers, third, and fourth. Feel your thumbs and fingers light up, fill up. And feel your palms. Notice your belly breathing and take a deep breath in and an exhale again out. Inhale and imagine pushing breath through your mouth, down your throat, to your fingers and palms. Take another deep breath in and feel your belly expand, and let your breath glide down the tubes of your legs to your twinkling toes. noticing the soles of your feet and everything that is facing the ground. Everything that is facing the sky. Another breath in to fill your being from head, through limbs and toes and fingers. And exhale to feel your head, neck, fingers, and toes. Feel the wholeness of your throat, the inside of your mouth, energy gliding through you to your fingers and thumbs, down your torso to your twinkling toes, and connect with that belly breath again. Place your hands on the center of your sternum again. Take another breath in and exhale with an S. Let yourself melt into your heart for a moment and set your intention for moving forward or lying down. Set your intention. I move through the day or through the sleep or through this task with ease and grace. Say it 3 times now. Blessings on your day. Thank you for doing this work for yourself. Namaste.